Y'all, my camera dropped yesterday, so it is not even working properly. But I was gonna say, I feel so proud of myself because I'm not even centered properly either. Wanna just see what you okay? But I edited a vlog yesterday. It's going up today for a weekly vlog, and I feel like in the vlog, like I just felt like I was watching like Zoe again, like, and I just had like a really productive week. Like I was able to edit and upload like all of my content on time. I even had time to put in like an extra video or whatever the case may be. So I'm like feeling really good about myself. Pat on my back, yes to consistency and whatever the case may be. But yeah, like the vlog itself was just like a really good vlog. Like I just felt like I was watching people that I normally like to watch on stuff, and I was like, go Zoe, good girl, you know what I mean? Your jacket and stuff, yes. I don't know, whatever is here I did not watch. For what marina? So yeah guys, yeah, forgot what I was saying because people are so rude. Sorry. Babe, can I have some grapes, please? Yeah, so anyways, as I said, I'm gonna fold up my clothes. I feel like I want to clean off my dresser and all of them stuff there too, but yeah.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let no, I don't know why you love me. You got it bad, you got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else true, nobody else made it through. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We're right around the love, right around the trip, right around the dick, right around the slap me up, babe. Don't wanna fit, right around the
paper, so I make some baked chicken. I kind of use a fryer for cereal first. Huh? Yeah, this morning I'm going to see Bobby get a vlog and things, so she fold and wash clothes, so she tired of in the knockout, so yeah, I'm going to prepare something, you know. Mix up some sauce. Saucy. Rocky. Barbecue sauce and see. Kind of done a preheat the oven up well hot fire in. Yeah. You know, it's a bless up again, you know. Big up. They alive, you know. It's a big up. Heart of love all the time, you know. The thing that more love, more life, more joy, you know. Bun sassarans. Chicken up on there. Yet people say I'm the right color now once. That look brown, yeah. Yeah, because I kind of serious with it, and I really fry it out. Serious. Dip them in my sauce. Alright, so we put the camera to show you. Color me, have a nice sauce. See that little brown, crispy look there? That one, you know? So we're not going to fully fry them out, I would say. Just like a sear. I put it by the stove, but I just clean it off. I don't want the oil spin again, so just ready for the fryer, you know? And then the sauce, so both not really or all fun. You know that. Sunday cooking, and we're done already, and I'm sure we'll finish them, you know? So by them time I move the way, so I didn't already. You know what I mean? People, ready for your oven now, you know? You know the lighting not so good enough, so I don't see it glaze like how they see it on my phone. I don't know why, but so after I fry him and thing, drop him in a sauce and then now ready for your oven, you know? Yeah. Barbecue sauce depending on sear him and thing. Over business, you know? Yeah. Boy.
Is that a diary?
No.
People, so we finish, bro. Come on, forget to show you know, people.
Number
Why, you know,
John Kurtz.
Hi.
fully baked, you know?
Sorry. Hi.
Alright, I'm gonna know for call it. Basically, callaloo, carrot,
Whatever, right? I swear.
you know,
Texture, she's fine.
and seeds.
Showed her parents yesterday.
Make a little
That's all.
starting
Is
it.
it worth it?
There's
And
Jason.
a lot of the baked chicken.
That's Jason Hagg, her boyfriend. Right?
Yeah,
He's
people.
supposed to be with him.
Yeah, Jerry.
Yeah, he was supposed to.
Yeah, wifey. Toronto living.
She's really.
Get away, man.
How are we?
Hi guys, welcome to, I was about to say Tuesday, welcome to Monday. Yeah, I'm home, just got home from work. I'm about to make something to eat. So I guess cook with me. Cook with me as per usual. We're making spaghetti.
No, no. I'm gonna sip on the street when I'm fucked up. I should've known how to make it. I'm gonna catch that feeling while she push up against me. Oh, it's so tipsy. I had enough for 24. I beat you from across the room. Pretty little body dancing like Coco. And you are unforgettable. I need to get you alone. Why not? A fucking good time, never caring nobody. I got a little drink, but it's not for party. If you love me, girl, then I'm so, so sorry. I gotta give it to you like we in a match. Like we in a hurry. No, no, girl, nobody. You're on your level too. Tryna do what lovers do.
Feeling like I'm fresh out boost. If they want the drama, got the ooze. Ship the whole crew to the cruise ship. Doing shit you don't even see in movies. Ride with me, boss. I got a hard hand for her ass off. She want the last name with the ring on it. Cause I pulled out $1 million cash, told her plank on it.
And you are unforgettable. I need to get you alone.
They want you, just put bubbly in the cruise.
It's not good enough for me since I've been with you. I'm gonna sip on this drink when I'm fucked up.
Blessed morning, people. Yeah, man, big up, you know. So, there I do a little switch up room, you know. Renovation stylish. Not really renovation, you know, people. Basically, I go change up the room. I'm been want to do it, but I think about it all along from forward. But I figure, oh, I'm going to do it. So I'm just there now, and cause I have a week off from work. I say, well, I did a spontaneous come to me. So I can go on, you know? Fix things with me.
Hubby drive, look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow.
Yeah, people, so I'm partially done. I'm not fully finished yet, but it's a somewhat the after look, you know. So. Pray for warm fall. Militant in my clocks and my army shots. Judge, I never left my side. No matter how far I want. Them can't fool the wise. Start using me. Movie, don't worry. Calm and nice. Humbleness me. With hard sacrifice. Stop crocodile, what them know about that, them know me how. Smile, well, things are alright now. Better them I go start saying me like them I say it already. The story was relative, man, I tell you, none compared to Chronicle. Morning again, people, you know. Blessed morning. So, Yeah, and do some left on the project, cleaning. Today now, left on the last lap. You know, that's a booby office. You see me, so? Yeah, I set up the office right now. I don't really think I'm going to move this. Well, I'm going to move it white brown at the end of my son. So I'm going to set it up, dust off everything. Dust off our printers and you can see.
Hi guys, and welcome to Saturday. Bye.
Tell me what you see in me.